Can you add a picture after posting on Instagram? So let's get started. Basically, open the Instagram app or a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, go to your profile and in your profile, tap on the photo you want to add a picture after posting on Instagram. Then, after you do so, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, from the available options on your screen, tap on the edit. After you tap on the edit, and here you can see that Instagram does not allow you to add a picture to an existing post after it has been published. If your post is new and does not have likes or comments, delete it and re-upload with the additional picture. But you can obviously delete the photo after posting on Instagram. You can see the delete icon available there at the photo's bottom left corner. You can tap on it and delete any according to your preference. So that is it. While you can't add a photo, you can edit the caption and delete the photo you have posted on your Instagram. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.